Oba me no tie a obi anim keka akọ nenim ama na be ya aware wotimi akwani obi ada agisika why you almost say we ye bonsam me boa tie wo ye na be boa en family life ni ago wo hwia ho kusua meje wo kwa firu se
aka say that snacks na gino ho say ti papa yi be ya me be ware ohun mi ana what say me na me be ware ne bana die ne be so adi be me share guide ya when you say your command is pairing meaning
your eye open
clear I mean my eyes
so
thank you
winnim na say my wife ni antia ana say opie ba na doctor ka say nani nhuna dia charge o cheche no obi a woni afra na wo na me ologologo
I didn't know when Papa didn't enter. Oh, my catch the game nothing as you be shed your belly zini do be wo me you me so one chia mama anya ma wo be chi am
game na start
GCM.
Thank you.
I like your gold chain.
Wow.
I hope it's not fake.
No.
I'm kidding.
Oh. And if you can buy it.
No, what did you?
Oh yeah, you're okay.
Oh, okay.
So you're okay there.
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Me work out here and I'm enjoying everything. I'm fine.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah.
Training don't feel near bro.
You know what time is it? I'm saying the training they repair. So what's your plans today? Anything? Then I'll be.
Oh, come here. Imagine come you could go into the check lines be all.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No way involving me.
Yeah, that's my man for hands.
You didn't tell me. Say I'm dry kasai. One can do so because go into.
A barrifi and Maria and me call. Then it's not my
So are you apologizing and I say over changing so much?
Yes, sorry.
Good.
I'm glad.
Because me make a small request to be. I don't say it hard, but I need to tell you.
Oh, feel free to come here because I catch him.
So sometimes so bahana ukwayana me feel so insecure. I mean, Ayana my so sad. So I want you to move in with me here. What do you think? Don't say no, please. Don't say no.
And the end, I'm into my castle there. My brother, when you say my dog.
So,
meet me to an awful.
So, whatever. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, the Biana Mijian said, I want you to be the first person I see in the morning and the last person I see at night. So thank you for.
Welcome up now. I wish you have done okay. Sir. So why you be here?
Yeah, I need make a change. Since I'm in a relationship, so I don't need to dress like this. I have to dress like this only for your eyes. You also make a dress to cover myself. Are you joining me to the virgin?
Oh.
Oh, no one else in time. Ade, what's wrong?
Maybe I'm intimidated.
Ade, so me a chihuahua.
No, my drinking costs you too much.
I didn't get you.
Maybe. It's going to be expect to say, men sabe kana week you man. Nipa say frame mo say cancel for chire me. Ti mama my style because me pescan so dey akwaya dey serious pa. Anto ni adwendwen me ntimi na me ntimi nyehwe. But enre nyina adwene me ntimi ndidi o.
Sika be say.
You can be on 30,000. Oh.
$30,000 and
See this.
30,000 cedis until I was sorry. It's 1 o'clock now. Me baby card me out to me say me sorry I was away.
You mean to me da? Be meet me da. Men what didn't come home kasi week we am sabeka. A video a yin kwaz this can be more sarcasm for.
Small cousin. 30,000. The night is still. I mean, I didn't share. Become my semi diploma. Don't worry, why?
What?
Yeah, I'm in the bed, mom.
The 30,000 be mom.
You shouldn't be scared. Don't worry. Yinda. What do you say? There. Be a good boy.
Okay.
In the bed, mom. There. Right. Send me that. I'll show you the phone. I'm checking out. Hola, drink fele, hala me fini me, baby you should enjoy yourself. But stop me no. Next, for girls, I'm a fan. Baby, you should enjoy yourself. Crap, nigga. Hook, niggas. Woo! Yeah, so.
Yo! It's
when did you become this scary? Oh. Let me inside wood door. That's why I didn't want to disturb you.
What's up?
Miss me? Are they coming down?
They're coming in a film.
I know, right?
You okay? Now,
why are you all over me? After when you're what's up? Tell me.
Me do.
No, I know, right?
Yeah. I love you, baby. Amra. Every day I'm coming to 12 and person.
How can you come on your machine?
Amra, we need and come I saw you on my show. You only said, see, Pensua, you dream.
Yeah.
Odo me pa.
Yeah.
Musmendo. Abra intimate see sa. Ana oba so nani monyam nyina ne aware. Madadwe mu se ye warewa e. Memfa wontete esi ne yi kire me wiase afa na nyina wo bia hu se. Musmenya meso ne me de. Awodo me musmendo. Intini nyina ane se. Me pese bi yo ho.
Kebio, are you crazy? Meaning, sir, we are very witty, but come here. What's the name?
We okay?
We are sure of us, don't worry.
Yeah.
What do you say? Worry a big commitment, right? Yeah. Relationship comes with rules. Yeah. So, are you ready? Finally, come together with Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. This calls for celebration.
Wow.
I'm coming. I can't wait. So, babe, come and sit down in this talk. Come and sit down. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. I'm shivering. Of course. I've been through.
Oh, can you? Oh, you're Papa. Abna, we are in Yansha as a show. Listen, be a who said you're Awerehuo.
I can't wait to break the news to my best friend, my mom, my dad, my family, my small circle. Like, and that who say I'll go to the altar. The flow had the energy. You know, they where they are going for 5 years. Is
Childish friend.
And I'm telling you if I be and see you.
Of course, yes.
Jennifer has finally proposed and
I
he wants
already
to
know.
take the relationship to the next level. So, it's all worrying me.
He said what?
Jennifer, it's all worrying me.
Are they Jennifer would have been up so
It doesn't matter. I mean, so I mean, don't worry.
You shouldn't do that, even grandpa. Only in a relationship with. Make a choice what you feel too much because bear man to me, you shouldn't tell me say what pencil and check and do within 2 weeks simple. And what peninsula? Okay. And on it's okay. Yet if your house or your about time be I don't know so only baby till.
Oh, baby, tell me I'm a castle moving and anytime you'll be to me so behind anything.
And what you mean by so we more bar without or about 2 months cram by 1 month cram? I'm say next week in a 1 month baby.
Mama,
I was so bad with which purpose?
Love is all that matters. Or do me miss me done.
He should know you more. What's the even Ukrawa dream? Are you okay?
And I make sure say love is all that matters. Trust is second. And as I say you do your home. And I am per se be mammy ne papa ne sana say for me per se you do kunya me ni not say ye bogu. I mean, to me, my question is, are
you serious?
I'm dead serious. That's what I'm telling you.
Let your eye open. Clear. I mean,
my eyes are open, and I know what I'm doing. Intimacy, the proposal, and I'm accepting it. Period.
Let me tell you something. You know that you are my only sister. I don't want you to do something. It will affect you.
I'm a wise, smart girl.
Oh, son, okay.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I get you.
Give me your support, that's all.
Mate, ain't no worry na want to feel, right?
Yeah, let's not hear.
Bema, they worry about what kind of this?
Oh, Mama, what is wrong with you? Relationship now worry.
Don't fucking ask me what is wrong with me. You ask yourself that what is wrong with me?
The way you are overreacting, it seems as if you are jealous me getting married or whatever it is, and I even regret telling you because now me person made me secret.
You are damn funny.
Funny of what?
How can I jealous you or? Okay, what's
so don't you consider my feelings? And me now, oh boy, now more calm, more ban, Miss Menya Median. You know, so I've been sorry for the fact
you are talking about my boyfriend. Do you know how long we date?
Many play I am falling in love until if you give me your support, fine. If not, we didn't come home and marry while you are setting your wedding date. So I'm sorry to say I hurt you by telling you say I'm getting married, period. Bye.
Am I dreaming or what? No,
Seriously, the shipping company for me is very disgusting. Because I'm managing one of my boy. My name is Awerehuo. And I'm a young banning Tiana. Because it's here, because oh, now he's a cry baby. But wait, it's a custom. No, listen. Men person me dem papa bebe. Inti da ben. It means I'm not that 2 months. And I'm in your man about it. You like how? When you say me too emotional, this is business. What you say? Business is business. Okay.
Baby.
Come baby's but I'm not okay.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Who was she said in how old is she?
How should they?
Then how?
Your man, but last December, our Macas on the day, but no matter another 2 months. So I feel no more than your man neighbor.
It's a baby near my paper. No way you swing so. Huh? And you must say first when they come about. No.
Bonds and your man neighbor, I know look so show no mood too.
And yes, she now but
I see it too, be beating me up with traffic affair. The way I was me your one year man, a different from another more macano. What you say? It's in you You know I love business. And me business
is baby things is a cancer joy with you. Why you be asking?
I'm a day journey, so not thought I won't be feeling tempted. Say Thursday, so
you come with dinner. I feel not to be busy so.
I'm sorry, meaning say Thursday, so be 7, and I feel I was at 5 or whatever it is. 5.
And yes, she. Not seeing a bed here because. As you hear me,
sir, and I mean, quick.
No. Me okay. Me bed drink my okay. Before so be here again in a week.
What's my first thing? Maid.
Yeah.
And I made in any journey, mom.
And yes, she.
I love to cook with my hands for you.
Me peso be kuja ho amaje bia na say aduane bi tu amwa bia bi tu ahyehye wa ma okala na bese. Me mpenesa. Unse enche ne be ware. Okala ma mepe. Me pese because we came caps we entwe o.
You know I don't like makeup.
Yeah. Timi pese umbe kwa kitchen manie me bia keken kan bo me mpenesa. Timi yi ona ho anga say see no unse anytime. Nti be ya yempimi.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, boss, your wish is my command. So, may the better me start saying it be made until we are ready. All right. Yeah. What is the division? Preaching more. Daddy. Yeah, good morning. How do you do? Yeah, me here, but you know yeah. Yeah, I was supposed to come see you yesterday, but in Swinton I couldn't. But my main kind of phone so sure. Guess what? I'm getting married. Yeah, Dad, for real. Oh, the name is Player. Yeah, baby, chill. That 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, white wedding and engagement. Yeah, I will need your help. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, you again. Yeah, actually, I wanted you to be surprised, but... I'll call you back, please. Let me come and check me, Papa say. Yeah, be worried.
Wow.
And every time I say, oh, who is the guy I want to get married? I'm saying, baby, me, I was thinking about her and Rabat, and so meeting a
wow. Yeah. So, me dear, some pound. Oh, sorry. Me massage you, okay? Pana. Miss Medin, some power. Me Musa Fado.
My friend Father Jordan.
No.
Oh,
your friend say?
Kelvin. Yeah.
Kelvin.
My dad is called the big Kelvin Afokwa. That's it.
What?
That's my dad. Me and my dad. I said you were taking money shopping. Yeah. That's my dad. It's my dad. I don't want to master Satan. Why?
Baby,
why are you
Mr. Kevin?
So weird. Yeah.
Baby, Jimmy said, Mr. Kevin, there are things will be in the room.
I don't talk much. Me, obi cry to me, she say, "Hey, I forgot about the corner. Na me boy from Impesa. Prepare when you be cooking, me papa." Not today, but
over
tomorrow.
a big man.
Oh yeah, my dad is a big man.
Wow.
Me and Koyan Koyan, so we are not bothered.
GCM.